First is the service mean topics, which topics you are covering and is match with our needs or not. So yes, internal audit, the service you are offering is matches with our need. Second is your client service, because we are procuring a service from you. So we are very happy. I feel like Audit 360 or Sumeru service, client service is very standard, timely, because as an organization we have to work with different technological vendor. So you are one of them, but we feel like the customer service is very good. And also your onboarding service is, I think, very easy. Our people, you consider the organization, you consider our culture, because Myanmar is a different culture. Your level, our auditor experience and their level of communication, you consider it. Now you are onboarding. It seems like our users are happy. So now it's like the changing of the mindset. You help us a lot to change the mindset actually. People are accepting it easily.